Only 5 lines of code are necessary to create a window. With Python, we may edit the code with Visual Studio to run it. We also can paste the code on the Python window to run it. From Tkinter import #all. Tkinter equals tk plus inter. Tk is from toolkit. Inter is from interface. W equals tk. W is the identifier for the memory space in which there is the code for the window we create. w.title. December 2nd, AIDDE, 2022. Window left corner up coordinates are x equals 40 from the left margin and y equals 4 from the top.